Welcome to this installation guide for the rack mount or tower type UPS system. In this video, we will show you the product models, preparation steps, and how to properly install the UPS in a server rack or tower configuration. This UPS series is available in 3 models. Before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual. Before starting the installation, prepare the following items. Attach both rack mount ears with screws. First, install the cage nuts into the desired rack position. Next, align the UPS mounting brackets with the rack rails. Carefully lift the UPS and slide it into the rack position. Secure the unit using the screws and tighten them with a screwdriver. After installation, connect the UPS to the input power source and attach the required load devices to the output sockets. Before starting the installation, prepare the following items. Assemble the tower type fixing bracket, as shown in the video. Gently press the clasps on both sides of the front panel to remove the front pane. Gently press the upper and lower clasps of the LCD box, remove the LCD box, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, then snap it back into the UPS main unit. Next, reinstall the front panel onto the UPS main unit and ensure it is securely clasped in place. Place the entire UPS into the tower type fixing bracket. Your UPS is now properly installed and ready to provide reliable power protection for your equipment. For more information, please refer to the user manual or contact technical support. Thank you for watching.